Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download all OneDrive files and folders on your PC. So let me start the video. So there is a two way. First way, you can simply go to your OneDrive and go to the settings. Here come to the synchronize and backup, and under the advanced setting, go to the downloads all files. It will be open directly your folder, OneDrive folder. Okay, you can also find your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Just open the File Explorer and go to the OneDrive folder. Here you can see all your files and documents. You need to select all, copy that, and select the folder where you want to save this on your PC. I just select documents. Here I can create new folder for OneDrive files. Okay, I have created. I just open it and paste there all that documents here. Okay, you can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.